Hey, what's up guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. We are home now, and as you guys have probably noticed from the last couple of videos, but we're having another meetup here in Oklahoma, in Stillwater, Oklahoma. If you guys are close, if you guys are interested in coming to the meetup, email Kayla at industrialtradition@gmail.com and put meetup in the subject. That way she can get you the information, the address, pretty much the address, everything you need to be able to get to the location. We're excited to see you guys. It is going to be on September 23rd, 2018. That is a Sunday afternoon from 1 to 2 o'clock p.m. It's come and go, just like the last one. We have it for longer than 2 o'clock, so if it goes over, that's fine, but just try to show up as early as you can. Hopefully, with giving you guys way more notice than we did last time, that most of you guys will be able to plan for this. We are excited to see you guys. This meetup is for not only for us to meet you guys and y'all to meet us, but also for all of you guys that follow me or me and Kayla on our channel to meet each other. That way everybody can help each other out as far as getting to know other businesses and things like that, and just helping each other out, sharing our platform to help everyone. So that's what it's all about. We're gonna try to invite a couple of people that we do business with here, so hopefully if they can be there, that'll be awesome, so we can introduce you guys to those people that we do business with around here. But looking forward to it. Don't forget, if you want to come, email Kayla at industrialtradition@gmail.com. Meet up in the subject. She'll send you the information you need. Hope to see y'all there.